This tiny crochet cactus is more than just a cute decoration. Use this as a keychain, bag charm, bookshelf accent, or even a mini pincushion. Grab your yarn and let's make it together. We'll start with a flower pot. I'm using pink yarn. Make a magic ring. And crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Place a stitch marker in the last stitch so it's easier to track your rounds. And join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. For round 2, chain 1 and work an increase in every stitch. That's 2 single crochets in each stitch. You will have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Join with a slip stitch. Round 3, chain 1, crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then an increase in the next. Repeat this pattern all the way around. I'll show you one more time. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. You will finish with 18 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. For round 4, chain 1. This round will crochet into the back loops only. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch. And join with a slip stitch. For round 5, chain 1 and crochet 1 single crochet in each of the first 5 stitches. Then make an increase. Repeat all the way around. You will have 21 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. For round 6, chain 1 and crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch around. Then join with a slip stitch. For a sturdier base, I'm placing a small cardboard circle inside the part. For round 7, chain 1, crochet 1 single crochet in each of the first 6 stitches. Then make an increase and repeat around. You will have 24 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Rounds 8 and 9, chain 1 at the beginning of each round. Then crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch. Join with a slip stitch after each round. For round 10, chain 1. This round will crochet into the front loops only. Make 1/2 double crochet in every stitch. Then join with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn, fasten off and weave in the end. Now let's make the soil. Go back to round 9 and work into the back loops we left unworked. Join the brown yarn, chain 1, make 2 single crochets. One and 2. Then make 1 invisible decrease. Repeat all the way around. I'll show you one more time. 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, then decrease. You should have 18 stitches. Don't forget stitch marker. Join with the slip stitch. For round 11, chain 1, crochet 1 single crochet. Then make 1 invisible decrease. One single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat around. You'll finish with 12 stitches. Stuff the flower pot firmly, and now we are ready to crochet the cactus. Switch to green yarn and join with a slip stitch. So This round will work into the front loops only. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet, then an increase. Don't forget front loops only. One single crochet and increase. Repeat around. You should have 18 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Now we'll start shaping the cactus ribs. Chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Then 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Repeat all the way around. I'll show you one more time. 1 double crochet, then 2 single crochets. And join with a slip stitch. Round 14. Chain 2. This time, instead of working into the stitch, make the double crochet around the post of the double crochet from the previous round. Around. That's what creates the race strip. Then crochet 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Repeat around. Again double crochet around the post of the double crochet from the previous round. And 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And join with a slip stitch. Repeat round 14 for the next 2 rounds. For round 17, chain 2, work 1 front post double crochet around the raised post. Then make 1 decrease. Repeat around. I'll show you one more time. 1 front post double crochet around the raised post, then 1 decrease. You should have 12 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Stuff the cactus nice and firmly before close it. For round 18, chain 1 and make 6 decreases around. Join with a slip stitch to the first decrease. Cut the yarn, but don't weave in the end just yet. We'll use it to close the top after we make the flower. We'll work into the front loops only. Join the yarn in your flower color. I'm using soft yellow. Chain 2, make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2 again, then slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this 5 times to make 5 petals. I'll show it once more. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2 again, then slip stitch into the next stitch. When all 5 petals are finished, fasten off and weave in the ends. Remember the green tail we left? Thread it into your yarn needle and weave through the back loop what are still free. Pull tight to close the opening, then weave in the end. And that's it. Our tiny crochet cactus is finished. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy crochet projects every week. I'll see you in the next one.